Now recently China has made various statements against the drone deals between the US and India regarding the Predator B drones, which US has offered for $3 billion for 30 drones only. It's quite a very expensive deal for India, and since India needs thousands of drones, these 30 drones do not contribute hugely to their military. Now these MQ-9 drones will be divided into the Army, Navy and the Air Force of India, thus decreasing the number even more. Now US offered $100 million for each drone. Now this offer of US for $100 million for each drone is considered a very stupid deal for India by various geopolitical experts in India and even people in the government of India, since India purchased its S-400 deal from Russia in $5 billion. Comparing S-400 with these drones, these are really expensive and not quite impactful when considered India's needs. Former editor of Global Times of China and the social media shows interest in these drone deals of India and US, since if this deal is final, this will be the only segment where India will be superior to China, though not in terms of numbers, but in terms of how advanced these drones are. China says the 3 billion can buy them 300 drones, and these Americans are looting India. It's been 3 to 4 years since this deal was started during the time of President Trump, and it's not finalized yet. Now if you compare these expensive drones to other country drones like France's Dassault that is preparing drones for $25 million, or Israel's drones that are very superior and considered one of the best, which are being offered at $35 million, or the Turkish Bayraktars, which are very cheap and are being sold for $1 or $2 million. But however, these Turkish drones are worthless for India. Also, China's Winglong drones cost $1 to $2 million for each drone, and their high-end version, the CH-5 Rainbow, costs $30 to $50 million for each drone. Even though the Predator B drones being so expensive, US has said that no transfer of technology will be done. Thus, considering all the facts, these drones will not satisfy all the requirements of India, and since India will need more than thousands of drones in the future, these 30 drones will rarely be used in the future of India. This is it for today. See you in the next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.